Welcome to my channel Shaggy Crochet. Today I can bring you for you a very beautiful collection of crochet accessories and offers. Accessories like socks, beanies, braids, scarves, and crochet beautiful dresses. Enjoying the full collection and full video of my channel, and also commenting on which one is your favorite. Thank you so much for supporting me to watch my videos and also giving me a very useful feedback about my videos, my content. Please subscribe my channel, like and comment on my videos, and also click on bell icon for further videos, further information, and my upcoming video items. Thank you so much. Beautiful home decor, crochet ideas. Design about crochet long slit dresses. Beautiful high fashion ladies, scarves, dresses.